Your surgeon has a horrible bedside manner. After your surgery, he comes by, and now the more you think about it, the more aggravated you get, believing that he's trying to cover something up and did something wrong during your surgery. Can you bring a medical malpractice case against your doctor because he has a horrible bedside manner? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. And the answer is no. Just because your doctor has a horrible bedside manner does not mean you have a valid medical malpractice case. In order to show that you are more likely right than wrong, that you have a valid case, number one, we have to show that the doctor was careless. We have to show, with a medical expert who's reviewed all of your records, that the doctor was careless and violated the basic standards of medical care. Number two, we have to show that the doctor's carelessness was a cause of your injury. And number three, we have to show that your injury is significant or permanent. Only after our medical expert confirms all three of those things can we go forward with a valid case. Now, you should know that I get calls often from people who say, the doctor was terrible, the doctor's trying to hide something, the doctor did something wrong, I just know it. Well, guess what? Poor bedside manner is not a valid basis to go forward with a case. Poor bedside manner is a personality problem that the doctor has, and maybe he's got a communication problem, being able to communicate with you to tell you what was done, what problems you have, and where you need to go from there. That's a clear issue that I've seen over and over again. However, that is not anywhere close enough to justify bringing a case against a doctor trying to seek money as a form of compensation for all the harms and losses and injuries you suffered because of something he may have done carelessly. In order to do that, then we have to get a medical expert to confirm all those things I just told you about. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases here in New York. And I understand you may be upset because your doctor does not have a good personality and does not have a good bedside manner when he comes to visit you. But guess what? That's not enough for you to bring a case. However, if you do have questions about your particular matter, and your matter did happen here in New York, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.